ship's forest homeland is being lost to logging and agriculture. Poaching reduces the number of chimpanzees.
Yeah, big red butts.
Yeah, it's red.
Chimpanzee status in the wild.
There is some there. Everything. Look at all these lazy animals.
How they don't climb out of
Without a fresh
Here's one moving as well.
wildlife will diminish and then perish. Zoos throughout the world work together to provide healthy options for species survival.
Surprised they haven't climbed out of that yet.
Man learns to better manage wild resources.
Alright.
Look at them, we're staring at blue.
Hannah, what is this? These are called what?
I'm not really sure, but I thought they were fairies.
These are called mercats.
Oh. Yeah, mercats. They're so little.
Those are the babies. They're playing with each other.
Oh.
And there's the mama.
They're all the babies.
I'm about to go in there.
Look at that one digging them. Oh, dude. So
Enough with the for the mercats.
oh, look at that. They're so little.
Who's trying to get the birds to get on him? That is not how you're going to get them on you. They don't want you to touch them. Let's go on to the next one. We're trying to get here, the birds, to get on the kids. Look, who got it on them?
Wait, it's about to pee. Oh!
There we go. Who got the bird on him? Get him on Caleb. Yeah. Let him get on Kayla now. Ah, there you go. What happened?
You gonna bite me, boy?
There you go, Pooh. There you go.
There you go, it doesn't hurt him.
Are you gonna get on? He's biting on you. How does that feel? George?
Oh!
Okay, bye. This is the bird, one of the little parrots. Kayla got some food for it. It's trying to feel her out to get to the food. Kayla, you gotta give it your arm so it can come out. You gotta let it come to your arm, Kayla. Kayla, you gotta let it get to your arm. Let it get on your arm. Let it get on your arm. All right. Move back, Kayla. Move back. All right. Kayla got it.
Finally! I'm sorry.
And what is your show, Kayla?
The Kayla Heredia show. It's the
There we go.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't disturb it. Try to walk with it to your dad. Walk slow. Walk slow. Walk slow.
A little bit right now. It's about to come up.
No, just walk slow. Oh, it's gone.
Oh, there's still a little bit.
No, let's go get to another one. Okay, bye.
Ow! Ow! Stupid bird! It keeps biting me really hard.
Okay, all right, bye. This is Dragonland. This is a wet section of Dragonland for the kids. And I actually lost my Great. Taylor's getting soaked. She's getting soaked. It's all the way up in a tree. Mario's going on this little water ride.
Man, you wasted camera time on this little...
Woo!
That was scary, wasn't it?
Wow!